Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the reduced braking power start engine warning for Mercedes-Benz's. All right, reduced braking power start engine warning on Mercedes-Benz vehicles usually come up because the auxiliary battery is too weak or completely discharged. We're going to show you how to fix it, why it happens, and here are the symptoms. What you're gonna get is a red warning light on the vehicle's cluster. It says brake reduced, brake effect, start engine. And why would that come up? All right, the SBC would throw the error when the secondary battery is low, or the brake light switch is defective, or the SBC pump is defective, or the brake pads are worn. And this is how you guys fix this alert due to battery issue. To fix the BRBE alert due to battery issue, you want to start the engine and let the engine run for a while to charge up the battery. If the battery is too weak, replace the battery and start the engine. All right, so what does the SBC braking system means? The SBC braking system is an electronically controlled brake system that Mercedes-Benz has fitted to its passenger car models. The system pretty much monitors the car and driver's actions through different sensors and sends the correct braking power information, which with just a small effort from the driver. SBC has various features, including distributing brake force to different wheels during cornering to ensure greater stability in the vehicle and maximum stopping power. The SBC system even dries the brake disc if water forms on them. The reduced braking power start engine warning will only appear in those Mercedes-Benz vehicles that have a Sensortronic brake control, or SBC. All right, this braking system was developed, which makes them quite different from most other vehicles. A traditional brake setup has a mechanical linkage that connects the pedal to the brake booster and other corresponding soft hardware. Unlike that, the SBC has a module with an electric pump, a reservoir that holds pressurized brake fluid, and a series of control valves. When the driver presses the brake, the module distributes the fluid toward each wheel to optimize their performance. Not only does this shorten the overall stopping distance, but it also makes it more stable during sudden and harsh brakings. So why does it come up? SBC may appear as a revolutionary system that improves vehicle safety, although real-life situations prove quite troublesome. There are several reasons for this, with warning messages that keep appearing without any apparent reasons. So specific errors such as reduced braking power start engine do not impact the braking systems. Many car owners find them annoying and confusing. This is because of the safety critical nature of the braking system, which leaves no room for failure of its components. The Sensortronic brake control relies heavily on sensors and electrical parts whose irregularities can seriously offset the braking performance. When any SBC components malfunction, the vehicle will warn the driver about potential hazards with several brake-related messages. In some cases, it may also temporarily disable features such as interior lights, sunroof, or even the radio. The purpose of this feature is to draw drivers' attention to the ongoing problem, although many of them find it frustrating. So here are the common causes. Consumer battery. The heart of the SBC system is this brake module, which has its battery as a reliable power source. This ensures a steady voltage for a reliable operation and allows the system to pressurize before the engine starts. If this consumer battery goes flat, it will trigger all sorts of warnings and may even cause brake issues. One of them is the reduced braking power start engine message, which will appear immediately after turning on the ignition. Replacing the battery is a simple job, although finding its location may be tricky in some models. Guys might have a defective brake light switch. A faulty brake light switch is one of the most common issues that cause this and many other similar warnings. Mounted at the top of the brake pedal, this sensor tells the vehicle when pressing the brakes. This is a simple part, although its internal components may eventually wear down and cause it to malfunction. When that happens, it will feed incorrect data to the SBC module, affecting the performance of those systems that use it. Replacing this inexpensive component is a simple job that requires only essential tools and some effort. The SBC module itself, which has an electric pump with a hydraulic reservoir and a series of control valves, is another weak spot. Common fault code is C249F. Error operating time of components of A7-3 is exceeded. In most cases, the electric motor will fail to operate as its internal components wear out. This is a severe issue as it may prevent the pump from creating sufficient fluid pressure and obstruct brake operation. Being a widespread problem, there are many rebuild kits available on the market. Still, this is not an easy job as it requires extensive experience and special tools. Here's how you guys can diagnose and solve the problem. If the reduced braking power start engine pops up immediately after turning the key, a weak consumer battery is probably the cause. Car owners should avoid jumping to conclusions when diagnosing any SBC related issues due to their complexity. Instead, it is always best to have a scan tool capable of figuring out what the code is, or have access to the control module. This gives a clear insight into stored error codes and running parameters, making the troubleshooting procedure more accurate. Additionally, owners should also maybe contact an authorized dealer when there is an issue with the SBC system in their cars. Mercedes offers an extended warranty for vehicles with the SBC system. If you guys didn't know about this, so I hope this has helped you guys out as far as figuring what your issue is with this message. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff, right, guys? Take care.